we'll take care of that in a second. Stand up for me. Put your hands behind your back, okay?
Thank you, Rebecca.
I didn't do that.
It's not her fault.
Yeah, you did.
Hey, Rebecca. Here, Rebecca. Just sit inside the house for a second.
I'll let you talk to this West Fork officer. This is his call, so.
Okay, sweet. So nothing physical today, right?
No,
Okay.
but
Tell me what happened from the beginning. Okay.
he got here, and I was cleaning the house.
Okay, about what
It was a
time?
mess. I don't know. It was daylight. It was a while back.
Okay.
And he walked in the door with this weird face, and he's been being mean ever since.
A domestic dispute escalates into a life-altering arrest when police respond to a call from a woman desperate to escape her volatile, abusive partner. What begins as a simple request for help to retrieve belongings ends with the boyfriend's startling admission of drug possession, turning a routine police intervention into a felony arrest caught on camera.
I told him I'd just been defending myself and asking him what's wrong with him, and then finally I told him I got a hold of my friend Karen, but I quit talking to her.
Okay.
He's just acting really mean to her, and he's really sweet.
What was he doing? Was he banging on the door? Was he?
He broke open.
He broke it open.
The back door.
Was it unlocked or locked? Or?
No, I locked it.
Can you show me real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go through the house.
No,
Sweet, thank you.
This is all his. He made me go through everything, and then he went through everything. And
Okay, is his name on the lease?
yeah, I got to put on the lease.
Okay.
But if that was meth in that's a felony, so you can't stay here no more. So I'll be okay if I get all that Amber tomorrow at the housing authority.
Yeah.
That's all his.
Okay.
That's my furniture, but it don't look nice out there no more.
Okay. Are you under the influence of anything?
No.
Okay. 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 Well, he's gonna be going to jail, so.
Yeah, he's on probation.
I know. So I
and
know.
go to anger management. I write it down. He hasn't went twice.
Okay, so here's the deal, all right? Let me make sure I got this straight. He got here. He was trying to get his stuff. Y'all got into a verbal altercation. You locked him out of the house, and then he tried to kick his way back in.
After hours of putting up with it.
Did he leave, or did he come back, or what? Was he just waiting around out there, or what?
No, he went to put some stuff in the car. It just from the master room outside, and I just locked it behind me.
Because he was acting strange?
Because I couldn't handle no more.
Okay. Okay. Okay, well, I'll figure out the charges, but, yeah, he's going to go to jail. Okay, so if you want to report, you can always FOI that from the police department, and then I would get in contact with whoever you leased this from, and see what the best way to go about getting him removed off the lease is, especially because y'all aren't married, right? No? No? Okay, so I would just let them know that, okay?
What do you think I should do?
About the door?
Yeah, the landlord, like, is she going to get, well, you should have got a, you know,
well,
you got to pay her.
I would call her and let her know what happened, and let her know what the result of what happened was, and then I would say, I would like him off the lease, please. We need to figure out what we need to do to get that started, and what do you want me to do about the door? Because I can't answer what your landlord would want you to do.
Oh, I know. I was wondering if you had advice on what I should do. That sounds good.
I would just lead with letting her know what happened, and just telling her you want to be upfront and honest with her, and
yeah,
and then leave it at that.
Okay.
So, sound good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does he have any remorse at all?
Yeah, he seemed pretty upset. So.
But he's not crying or anything.
He was not crying.
How much drugs did he have?
I don't know. I didn't weigh it. It was just an eyeball.
He has all these bags he gets from, I guess, work. They're all over the house. They usually all have pills in them. They're always empty, filled in different bags and more bags and more bags. His toolbox is probably in his trunk, which is open. And all these, all this stuff we don't need. He's an assembler. And
That's weird.
I know it's all really weird.
Will you do me a favor? Yep. Will you grab one of the test kits in my side door that says methamphetamine? So you break it. That, and let all the liquid seep down into it like that. And then no, this is just weed. Oh, wait. Good to go. Good to go. Yeah.
Trying to gather my things so I can leave, and she will not let me.
Haven't we had this issue before?
Yeah.
Why are you back here? Don't you have a no contact order or a trespass?
Thought we were in a good relationship.
Okay.
I just got this car, and now things have gotten even worse. I've just got like one more bag in there that I have to get. She keeps locking the door on me.
Okay.
If I could just get that, I will leave.
Has it gotten physical at any point?
No.
Has anybody touched anybody?
No.
Okay. What's your name again?
My name is Frank Corwin.
Corwin. West Fork County. I got one to run. Last name Corwin. Common spelling. First name.
Sit down.
What's your first name again? It's gonna be a white male out of Arkansas. Yeah, sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Did you copy the return?
Negative. Go again. Tenfold. Okay. Here, let me pat you down real quick.
Is that really necessary?
Yeah. Let me pat you down real quick. Tenfold. Thought you were running from me for a second.
No, I was just trying to go around to the back door before she locked it again.
Okay, here's West Fork County. You can release him that.
Yeah.
Tenfold.
Might as well walk to the vehicle, I guess.
Do what? Might as well what?
Have you walking to the vehicle,
Hello.
Thank you, Rebecca. I just
staying
wanted
on
to
the
gather my stuff, and I was going to leave.
No,
Come over
you
here.
won't.
Come over here. Sit in the corner.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Here, can I just...
Just sit down right there real quick. Okay?
Yeah, because of that.
No, you're fine. Are you supposed to have clonazepam?
Yeah.
Being,
Yeah, it's my name on the bottle.
Yeah. Okay. I shouldn't know. Okay.
But, yeah.
Okay. What is this?
That's exactly what you think it is.
Okay. Wish you would have told me before I handled it there handily. Here, stand up for me.
I'm sorry.
Stand up for me.
Can I get the other thing that is...
We'll take care of that in a second. Stand up for me. Put your hands behind your back, okay?
Thank you, Rebecca.
I
Thank you
didn't
very
do
much.
It's not her
that.
fault.
Yeah, you did.
Hey,
that what you
Rebecca.
need?
Here, Rebecca. Just sit inside the house for a second, okay? And I'll talk to you inside.
I just wanted my bag and to leave.
No, you didn't. I could show him the footage.
I just wanted my bag
Honey, you
and to
love
leave.
felony amount signal 16.
Now I'm going to prison for a year.
No, 10, 15. One time, 1 mil.
My right pocket. There's a pad.
I appreciate you letting me know that. Okay, I'm going to walk you back to my unit, okay? I'm going to walk him back to my unit, and I'm going to be right back up with you, okay?
Thank you for
I'm gonna-
ruining my
I'm gonna
life,
speak with you.
Rebecca.
Hey, you know what? We're done talking here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Will you be willing to speak with me when I come back up here in a second?
I have my friend Karen coming to get me. I asked her for help because he don't act like this. It's weird.
Okay,
And
okay.
You told me to get out.
and no, I didn't. He keeps lying. Can I have those since he can't?
It's up to him. Do you want her to have these cigarettes?
May I smoke one?
You're locked right now.
I don't have to use my hands.
So, yeah. Okay, when we get back to the car.
Okay, thank you very much.
Smoking,
Yeah, she can have the rest of them.
Okay.
I won't be needing them, I don't guess.
Okay. Nope. Here you go. Give me just a second. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did I hurt you, Rebecca?
If you're coming
Physically?
right back, I'll be here. If not,
Did I physically hurt you?
here. Yesterday, yeah. Don't do
Did
yourself
he
any
today?
deeper.
Did he today?
Don't do it any deeper.
Okay, come on. Come on. I'll talk to you in a second.
I don't have
I'm
a
not going to
lighter.
lie for
I
a
don't-
loser.
I don't
I'm
think-
sorry.
You what?
I don't have a lighter, I don't leave.
Okay. Well, I'll be back in like 90 seconds. The property or the meth?
No, my property. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. So, before we go any further, okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you by the state of Arkansas. Do you understand everything I just read to you? Okay. And knowing these rights, what would you like to talk to me? I'm just going to ask you a couple quick questions, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, give me a little bit. When's the last time you used meth?
Yesterday.
Yesterday, not tonight.
Yes, sir.
Positive? Okay. Is she currently on meth?
I don't know.
I mean, let's not dance around.
We've been
it.
apart today,
I know,
so
but
I
like,
don't
when's the
know.
last time she's used meth? Do you think she's currently on meth?
I really don't know.
I mean, you don't know when the last time you saw her use meth was? I mean, if you don't know, then you don't know. But if you don't want to tell me, then just tell me you don't want to tell me. That way I'm not wasting my time.
I mean, I have seen her use, but... you know,
Okay. When was that?
I don't know, time and directions are just out of the window for me, so sometime last week before maybe.
Okay. What is this?
That's a camera, it's got my SD card in it.
Okay.
And that, yeah.
Okay.
Feels like there's something else in this pocket.
Back pocket. Is it something's
No.
gonna stick, poke, prod, stab me, anything like that?
No.
Okay. You positive? Get more meth?
Like these and that thing.
Okay. I'll lock up your car and everything. Yeah?
No, one door doesn't lock, so that
I mean-
doesn't matter.
Okay.
If you could close my trunk, I guess that would be good.
Yeah, I can close this one. Okay. Not gonna find any meth in this.
No, sir.
Okay. I'm about to put him in the back of my unit and take him in here in a minute. I gotta talk to the victim if you want to talk to the victim with me. The victim with me. Or if you want to go make contact with her right now and I'll be over with you in a second. She's it's gonna be in that driveway with the red and black car in it right there, yeah, right where your light's at. It's gonna be that unit on the left side.
open.
Left side or right side?
You need left side.
Left side. Okay. Yes, sir. I'll see you later. Okay, now, one more question, and then that's it, okay? Who did you come across that from? Her? Is she dealing it? Okay.
We're just together, and so
I mean, because that's a decent amount of meth.
yeah,
Yeah.
we do it separately.
I mean, okay, well, do you know if she's distributing? Do you know?
No, I don't believe so. No.
No, she just gets it for you? Okay. Do you know where she gets it from? No idea, or you just don't feel like talking about it?
No.
You positive? Because you were positive you didn't have any drugs on you earlier, so.
I don't believe I said I didn't have any drugs on me earlier. Paul saying that I was pretty much screwed because I knew.
Yeah. Okay.
But
Alright, so I'm gonna put you in the back of my car now, okay?
that's it.
Yep.
It's a good way to position myself.
Typically with your ass on the seat and your back against the back.
Yeah. Okay, I got that. Stuff. Alright, so fuck down any break like they're cutting me.
I made sure there was enough room in there to put a finger in there. Did they tighten up on you?
Possibly.
Here, lean forward a little bit. That one's fine. And this one's fine. Yeah, they're good.
Okay.
Yeah, they're good, buddy.
Can I, like,
Can you...
I don't know. That's fine.
Okay.
The underlying issue was a combination of an unstable domestic environment characterized by verbal abuse and the illicit activities of the boyfriend, which ultimately resulted in legal intervention. Let me know your thoughts on this one. If you're new here, like, share, and subscribe to this channel, as every case we cover has a lesson buried inside it. And some lessons are worth your full attention. Thank you for stopping by. This is brought to you by True Crime Verdict.